Question number 1.
Which sentence is grammatically correct? A, he don't know the answer. B, he doesn't knows the answer. C, he doesn't know the answer.
Question number 2.
Choose the synonym of arduous, exact A, easy B, difficult C, soft.
Question number 3.
What does the idiom pull someone's leg mean? A, to play a joke on someone. B, to hurt someone. C, to help someone walk.
Question number 4.
Choose the correct sentence. A, the news are good. B, the news is good. C, the news were good.
Question number 5.
Antonym of trivial. A, unimportant. B, significant. C, small.
Question number 6.
Choose the correct phrase. A, she succeeded to win the prize. B, she succeeded in winning the prize. C, she succeeded for winning the prize.
Question number 7.
What does face the music mean? A, dance in public. B, accept the consequences. C, avoid punishment.
Question number 8.
Synonym of lucid. A, clear. B, confusing. C, cloudy.
Question number 9.
Which sentence is grammatically correct? A, they has finished their work. B, they have finished their work. C, they had finished their work.
Question number 10.
Antonym of hostile. A, friendly. B, angry. C, cruel.
Question number 11.
Choose the correct idiomatic usage. A, he let the cat out of the box. B, he let the cat out of the hat. C, he let the cat out of the bag.
Question number 12.
Choose the correct sentence. A, neither the teacher nor the students knows the answer. B, neither the teacher nor the students know the answer. C, neither the teacher or the students know the answer.
Question number 13.
Synonym of courageous. A, fearful. B, brave. C, weak.
Question number 14.
What does the idiom go the extra mile mean? A. Travel more. B. Do more than expected. C. Drive far.
Question number 15.
Choose the grammatically correct sentence. A. If I knew, I would told you. B. If I had known, I would have told you. C. If I known, I would tell you.
Question number 16.
Antonym of compulsory is A. Optional. B. Required. C. Essential.
Question number 17.
Correct the sentence. A. He is married with a doctor. B. He is married to a doctor. C. He is married by a doctor.
Question number 18.
Synonym of meticulous. A. Careless. B. Thorough. C. Quick.
Question number 19.
Hein, choose the correct idiom. A. Break the silence. B. Break the floor. C. Break the light.
Question number 20.
Choose the correct sentence. A. He's good in playing chess. B. He's good at playing chess. C. He's good to play chess.
Question number 21.
Antonym of expand. A. Grow. B. Contract. C. Increase.
Question number 22.
What does turn a blind eye mean? A. Ignore something wrong. B. Close your eyes. C. Pretend to sleep.
Question number 23.
Synonym of obsolete. A. Newbie, outdated. C. Popular.
Question number 24.
Choose the grammatically correct sentence. A. I have visited London last year. B. I visited London last year. C. I have gone to London last year.
Question number 25.
What does in hot water mean? A. Taking a bath. B. In trouble. C. Angry.
Question number 26.
Antonym of humble. A. Polite. B. Arrogant. C. Respectful.
Question number 27.
Choose the correct sentence. A. She prevented me from go. B. She prevented me from going. C. She prevented me to go.
Question number 28.
Synonym of reluctant: A, willing, B, unwilling, C, ready.
Question number 29.
Choose the idiom that means to begin again. Yagi, turn the table. B, start from scratch. C, break the circle.
Question number 30.
Choose the correct sentence. A, the police is coming. B, the police are coming. C, the police has coming.
Question number 31.
Antonym of transparent: A, opaque. B, glass. C, crystal.
Question number 32.
Synonym of chaotic: A, orderly. B, confused. C, peaceful.
Question number 33.
Choose the correct phrase. A, I congratulate him for his success. B, I congratulate him on his success. C, I congratulate him of his success.
Question number 34.
What does barking up the wrong tree mean? A, looking in the wrong place. B, making loud noises. C, scaring someone.
Question number 35.
Yo, you doing great in the quiz? Now get back to the question. Choose the correct sentence. A, I prefer tea than coffee. B, I prefer tea to coffee. C, I prefer tea over than coffee.
Question number 36.
Antonym of temporary: A, permanent. B, weak. C, momentary.
Question number 37.
Synonym of perplexed: A, confused. B, excited. C, happy.
Question number 38.
Choose the correct idiom. A, kill two birds with a stone. B, kill two birds with one stone. C, kill two stones with one bird.
Question number 39.
Choose the correct idiom. A, kill two birds with a stone. B, kill two birds with one stone. C, kill two stones with one bird.
Question number 40.
What does a storm in a teacup mean? A, big problem. B, overreaction to a small issue. C, a weather warning.
Question number 41.
Synonym of elaborate: A. Simple, B. Detailed, C. Quick.
Question number 42.
Choose the grammatically correct sentence. A. She insisted me to stay. B. She insisted that I stay. C. She insisted me stay.
Question number 43.
Antonym of flexible: A. Stiff, B. Adaptable, C. Soft.
Question number 44.
Choose the correct idiomatic usage. A. He kicked the can. B. He kicked the habit. C. He kicked the grass.
Question number 45.
Choose the correct sentence. A. The United States are big. B. The United States is big. C. The United States have big.
Question number 46.
What does make ends meet mean? A. Be rich. B. Struggle financially. C. Live within one's means.
Question number 47.
Antonym of benevolent: A. Kind. B. Cruel. C. Generous.
Question number 48.
Choose the synonym of detest, where A. Love. B. Hate. C. Like all.
Question number 49.
What does the idiom under your nose mean? A. Far away. B. Hidden. C. Very close, yet unnoticed.
Question number 50.
Choose the grammatically correct sentence. A. He gave me an advice. B. He gave me a piece of advice. C. He gave me many advices.
How did you score? Tell us your score in the comments below. Share this quiz with your friends and family, challenge their English too. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Talk Learner for more fun grammar quizzes every day. Let's learn together and grow together. Thanks a lot for watching. Once again, take care and have a great day or night, wherever you are. Bye bye and keep smiling.